Now, there's also this. It's not too late. God's personal message. Come back to me and really mean it. Come fastin' and weepin', sorry for your sins. Joel 2, verse 12. I'm reminding you and myself also that God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. If you are new or already a part of my YouTube family, my name is Erica. In today's video, I will just give you a little review as to how I achieved this hairstyle. Well, the first thing I'd like to say is install took me about 8 to 9 hours, and I did it within the span of like 2 days. I did not purchase this hair recently, and I didn't purchase it online. I did purchase this hair with my own money, and I purchased it at my beauty supply store before this whole quarantine started. And I believe I paid somewhere between $15 or $20 for it at the time. And the hair that I used is the Water Wave. It's 3 times value pack. And it's the Water Wave by Zury. So Zury, and this is what it looks like, picture. And it's pre-stretched and 3 times value pack. And this is in 20 inch right here. And this is a color that I'm using, the Sombre 2730. This is what the hair looks like when it comes out of the pack. It's a bit frizzy right now because I did a bit of trying to separate it here. So when it's in the pack, what I do is I take it out. This is how long it is. And of course I cut this hair. After I cut it, I separate it into either 2 or just as it is. And then I do my best to try and feather the ends of it and install it as is. So I just section my hair, if you can see. So I braid it halfway, or not even halfway, just like 2 inch or 1.5 inches, and then I just twist the ends of it. This hair texture, the thing I like about it is that it's a bit coarse. To me, it works better as a twist as opposed to install it as a crochet braid. This works better as a twist if you want it curly, because I know that my last 2 videos, not my last 2 videos, but the 2 videos that I did regarding twists were like textured for twist, whereas this hair is for crochet braids, so like to install it crochet like piece by piece to install it. But again, you can use any hair, and I just feel like, I don't know if that makes sense, but I just feel like this hair, in my opinion, works better for twist. How the hair comes, there's 3 bundles, so that will work out to like 3 packs. I don't know if they sell this hair individually. I've never purchased it individually before, but I purchased 2 packs at the time. I'd had 2 packs of this hair, and I used a pack and a half, which would be equivalent to 5 bundles of hair. When I separate the hair, what I did is I took some beeswax. Of course, I washed my hair, moisturized it, and I took beeswax and kind of put it at the ends of my hair just to make it seal into the crochet hair. Hopefully that makes sense. After I seal it in, then I twisted the ends. To get it to curl like this, I use gel at the end. Have some of the hair looking a bit straight, like as you can, I don't know if you can see here, but some of them are not as curly. Maybe this one is, but some of them that are not, you'll see right here. You can see this one. I think it was the same one. But like, it's straight and then it winds at the end. They're not as curled as I'd like them to be. These are like a wavy pattern. So if I want them to blend more like this, what I do is I just take a little wand, pretty small one, and I just start it up top here, and I just wind this around like so. After I wind it onto the rod, what I do is I get a bit of hot water and I just put it in there for like a couple seconds. And just be careful. Do not burn yourself with hot water. This, again, is completely optional. I repeat, completely optional. And then I take it out. And then there you go. Perfect. So this is just basically what I do, or what I did when I noticed that all the curls weren't really formed the way that I wanted them to. It's just a few that I found throughout my hair that kind of looked like that. In my hair, I have like 3 different types of twist. And what I mean by that is that some of them, you can see they're more full, because when I came to the back, I did them a bit thicker. So they're full, right? Like that. The reason why these look like this is because more natural hair, more of my own hair, and less of the fake hair. So I cut the hair, I separated it into 2 halves, and it's kind of easy to separate too. And if you don't want it to knot at the end, the best thing is to just kind of separate it with your fingers, and it doesn't really matter how frizzy it looks to me. And I've had this hair in now for about 4 days. And so basically, okay, what I was trying to explain is that this is the amount of hair that I have, right? So there's 2 pieces. After I cut it, 2 pieces, and then I separate it. So from that 1 strand of hair that I cut, it'll leave me with 4 pieces of hair. So what I do is I separated my own hair. I took a lot of the hair, my hair, and then I installed it with this. Now, if you don't want the hair to look like this, see how full this one is? That's because I use the entire twist. Or I use more of the fake hair. So the more fake hair you use, the better it looks. The less fake hair you use, it kind of doesn't look too great, I think. But again, I think it blends in okay. And what I do is I did the front like way smaller than I did the back. Yeah, so that's what that looks like. After I completed this hair, I went over it with some mousse, and I just basically squirted it in my hair, or I just put a huge amount in my hand and just kind of raked it through the hair. I haven't really noticed anything bad about this. I really like this hair. I really do. Alright guys, there you have it. I just wanted to share you this video and hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more in depth or in detail as to how I kind of install this hair, I'm going to link one of my older videos in regards to my twist. That's exactly how I install my twist. This is like my 3rd video that I've done in regards to twist. And each video that I've showed is the exact same process that I use in regards to the base or the foundation of the hair. I pretty much just braid it a little ways, and then I start intertwining my hair with the fake hair. 5 or 6 hair that I had to dip in the hot water. As for the rest of the hair, I did not dip it in hot water. So if that's a question that you guys might ask, no, I didn't dip the whole hair, all this hair in water. Twists, like I said, that were straight, those are the only ones that I had to dip in hot water. I just basically braided the hair in, separated it, and then I twist until I came maybe about down here. So I twisted it all the way, and once I was all the way, I just wind the ends with the gel and got that curl right back. I hope I basically cleared up everything in this video, and if you should have any other questions or if you should have any concerns, please do feel free to leave them in the comment section. I will try my best to answer. I do always respond to you guys' comments. I do my due diligence to respond to every question that's asked to me. If I haven't gotten around to your comment and answered it, I do apologize. But if there's any questions in pertaining to this or in reference to this hair or anything that I've said in this video that might be confusing or what have you, please leave it in the comment section, and my best to get back to you and answer the question as much as I can, as best as I can. Also, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you guys so much, those of you who've already hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it as well. Give it a thumbs up, and God willing, you'll stop by for my next video. Until then, take care. Who is it? Bye for now. Bye.